Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 no internet access but Wi-Fi connected. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's see start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type ncpa.cpl, open it. After doing this step, selected a Wi-Fi adapter which you use to connect to your internet. Right click, go to your properties of your internet adapter. Select the internet protocol version 4 and go to your properties. Select use the following DNS addresses and you can use it. This DNS addresses. The preferred DNS is 8.8.8.8 and alternative DNS is 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and close it. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is netsh space int space ip space reset and press enter. After that, type a command is netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. After doing this, type a command is ipconfig space slash flash DNS and press enter. After that, type a command is ipconfig space slash release and press enter. After that, type a command is ipconfig space slash renew and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt and restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box, type a device manager. Open a device manager. After doing this step, select a network adapter and expand it. After doing this step, you can find out the wireless LAN. Right click, click on update driver. Select the browse my computer from drivers. Select let me pick from list available on my computer. Select it and click on next button. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can go to your device manager, go to your network adapter and expand it and select a wireless Wi-Fi adapter and uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer and once again reinstall your adapter. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.